Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre and I'm here today with a new card tutorial for you. We're going to do this card, this really cute card, using the Be Thankful stamp set. It's got the cute adorable bee in it, and I thought this would be a really cute thank you card. So let's get started. We're going to use all colors from the Brights family today. The first thing we're going to do is get piece of Pacific Point cardstock, cut it in half for your standard card. Let's put that to the side for now. And then fold it in half for a standard card. Use my bone folder to give it a nice crisp edge. I had someone ask me recently why I use a bone folder, and a bone folder really makes a big difference when you crease your edge of the card. Before I had a bone folder, I never would have guessed why you would have a bone folder either, but I tell you, I can't live without it now. So there's a bone folder. We'll set that aside for now. Next up, we're going to take a piece of white, Whisper White cardstock. This is 5 1/8 by 2 3/4. And we're going to use my brand new Stamparatus. Just got this today, and I'm so thankful I got it, because as you'll see, it really makes a difference when stamping. This is another one of those tools that I thought, why do you need that? I can stamp just as easily without it. But to be honest, especially when you're using these big stamps, you'll see why. It doesn't always stamp the image nice and clean the first time. So I'm going to line this up here on my cardstock, and then pick it up with the plate. Okay, we're going to stamp with the Jet Black StazOn ink today. The StazOn we're using because we are using the Stampin' Right markers today. We don't want it to bleed. So we're going to ink this up nice. And let's see what kind of image we get here. Press that down. And as you can see, there's images or parts of images that didn't quite stamp very well. So we're going to go over that again. This is why I like the Stamparatus. Sure, you could try and line it up again and restamp it, but I bet you won't get it in the right position. Much better. Okay, we'll put the stamp away. And we'll take this off the Stamparatus, and we're done with this. Okay, as I mentioned, we're going to use our Stampin' Right markers today. We're using the Brights colors. So we've got, let's see, Poppy Parade, Mango Melody, Daffodil Delight, and Granny Apple Green. We're going to start with the Poppy Parade. I used the brush side, which is the thicker of the two sides. And we're just going to start at the top of the letters very gently. You don't have to press down hard at all. And I'm just going to come in about 1/3 of the way. We'll do that with all the letters. Now these would also be colored very nicely using the new Stampin' Blend markers. You'd probably get a much smoother blend, but I wanted to show you how you could do this if you already have the Stampin' Right markers. The blend may not be as smooth as you would get with a Stampin' Blend, but I still like it. I still think it's a great effect. The red really is the one that takes the longest. Okay, let's move on to the Mango Melody. Again, using the brush end, we're just going to come right over the top of the Poppy Parade and bring it down a little bit. And it does blend it a little bit. I thought the stamp was so cute with the little bee, I couldn't wait to color it. I hope you like it too. And then we'll grab the Daffodil Delight and finish off the letters. Now, of course, you could use any color trio you wanted. I think the red, orange, and the yellow look especially good together, especially with the yellow bee. But I could definitely see this with blue, purple, and green, or many other color combinations. Okay, as long as I have the yellow out right away, we'll color the bee. Trying to do this fast for you guys. I may be going out of the lines a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, and then we'll grab our Granny Apple Green to do the leaves. Just turn this around here so my hand doesn't go into the marker. It's a little wet yet. Okay, and then I'm going to grab the Mango Melody for the flower. Okay. Oh, and I forgot that stem. There we go. That's done. Now we're going to center that on a piece of the real red. This is 5.5 by 4 1/4. Or actually, I'm sorry, this is Poppy Parade. Yeah, that's Poppy Parade, the marker. So this is Poppy Parade, the cardstock. And we're going to use our snail adhesive to do that. Just line it up right in the center there. Okay. And then we're going to tear just a little bit away from the edge, tear towards you. You always get a nice clean tear then. Turn it around, tear towards you. There we go. And then we'll use snail adhesive on the back of this. And we'll take our blue card base and again just line it up in the center. There we go. Then we're going to take a piece of Whisper White Baker's Twine. Just take it about 16, 17 inches or so. We're just going to wrap it around once. Let's see. a little bit longer over here. There we go. I'm going to tie a knot in it first. And then we'll tie a little bow. There we go. There's your card. I have all the information for this card as well as the products I used on my blog at jenniferlabre.com. I hope you'll join me there for more information and product news. Oh, I see I just forgot to color the rest of the S. Let's do that quick. There we go. As I said, all the information's at my blog at jenniferlabre.com. I hope you'll join me there. And again, if you're looking for a demonstrator and don't have one yet, I hope that you will consider me. Again, my information is all on my blog, jenniferlabre.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day.